Tegan. Happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be making banana sushi, and I know what you're thinking, kids don't like sushi, but actually we're going to be making it really yummy and delicious, and it's going to be things that you already have in your cabinets, and it's basically a dessert. So which kids don't like dessert? So here we go. The first thing that you need to do is remember to wash your hands. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. I have already done that, so I'm going to walk you through the ingredients that we're going to be using. So again, you can just pull anything that you like from your cabinets. That's the best part. This is quick and easy, and it's a dessert that you want to make for whatever you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3 different spreads that we're going to be spreading on our sushi. And then I just pulled different ingredients. So I have mini chocolate chips, Applejack cereal that's crushed up, and then some strawberries. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do is, since these are all different ingredients that don't really go well together, we're gonna cut our banana in thirds. So 1, 2, 3 pieces right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a different spread on each section of banana and then roll it into each different ingredient. And then I'm gonna wrap it in my tortilla. All right, so clearly this didn't work very well, so I'm gonna try another method because sometimes in the kitchen things don't work and you just have to improvise. So instead of putting the ingredients and spreading it on the banana, we're gonna do it on the tortilla. So here we go. Still gonna break the tortilla into thirds and spread our ingredients.
Much quicker. Hazelnut spread. Look how smoothly that goes on. Perfect. And then lastly, honey.
Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is you need to use the ingredients that you would like to put on each. So I have mini chocolate chips here. And strawberries. And my favorite cereal, Apple Jacks. All right, so next we're gonna put the bananas towards the end of the tortilla. And we are going to wrap it up. And here we have our sushi roll, and we are going to cut it next. Sure to clean off your knife. If you don't get it super clean, that is all right. And there you have it. Not the most prettiest sushi, but I promise it will taste good. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking Club with Tegan.
Your one.